Think about your last conversation. Not a text, not a meme you sent, a real conversation. One where someone looked at you and actually listened. When was the last time that happened? Because right now, in the most connected country on Earth, 20% of Americans have 0 close friends. Not one. And in 1990, that number was only 3%. Something broke, and nobody noticed. In 2023, the US Surgeon General did something unprecedented. He declared loneliness a public health epidemic. Not obesity, not opioids, loneliness. The numbers are brutal. 30% of American adults feel lonely at least once a week. 10% feel lonely every single day. And in 2025, more than 6 in 10 Americans say they feel emotionally disconnected. But here's what makes this terrifying. It's not the elderly. It's not the isolated. It's people aged 18 to 34, the most online generation in history, who are reporting the highest levels of loneliness. More followers, more friends online, and somehow more alone than ever. 50 years ago, Americans had something we've quietly lost: third places. Not home, not work. The diner where everyone knew your name. The bowling league, the church, the neighborhood bar. These weren't just places, they were the glue. Today, that glue is gone. Every single place where strangers became friends quietly disappeared, and nobody held a funeral for them. We optimized everything. Groceries delivered, movies streamed, work from home. We removed every reason to leave the house, and then wondered why we feel alone. And then came social media, which promised connection and delivered something else entirely. Every scroll, every notification engineered to feel like human contact without any of the depth. Dopamine without belonging. Interaction without intimacy. Here's something the medical world has known for years, but almost nobody talks about. Social isolation is as dangerous to your health as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Not metaphorically, literally. The physical damage is equivalent. Lonely people have higher rates of heart disease, higher rates of stroke. Their immune systems are weaker, they age faster, and they die younger. And yet, we treat loneliness like a personality flaw, like a choice.
Like something you fix by just going out more. It's not. This is a structural crisis, built slowly over decades by a system that values productivity over people and efficiency over connection. And there's one group hit hardest of all: men. Since 1990, the number of men with no close friends has increased 5 times over. 5 times. And before you think this is about gender politics, it's not. It's about how modern life systematically dismantled the spaces where men formed friendships. Team sports, shared labor, military service, local bars, one by one, gone. Replaced by screens and delivery apps and remote offices. You can be successful, you can be busy, you can have hundreds of connections online, and still go weeks without a single real conversation. That's not a personal failure, that's America in 2025. So what do we do with this? We can't rebuild the bowling alley, we can't force people back to church, we can't uninvent Instagram. But maybe, just maybe, the first step is simply seeing this for what it is. Not a personal flaw, not laziness, not shyness, a crisis, hidden in plain sight, in every apartment building, every suburb, every city of the most powerful country in the world. When was the last time you called a friend? Not texted, called. Think about it.